Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is Black History Month and I decided to switch things up and do makeup looks of some of the black women who I admire and who I think are absolutely stunning, and I just want to try to recreate some of their most iconic looks. So today I'm going to be doing Amara La Negra. She is the breakout star of Love and Hip Hop Miami. I think she's beautiful, gorgeous, great personality. Everything she stands for is amazing. So I wanted to recreate her 5 looks from her most recent episode, which she did, I believe it was called Not My Hair, I Am Not My Hair. So that was that little photo shoot that she did on the episode, and I thought all her looks are so inspirational and awesome, and I wanted to try to recreate it. I don't have all the I don't have all the things that she used, of course, so I don't think it will look exactly like hers, but I'm going to try to use what I have to recreate some of the looks on me. So, with that being said, I don't have any lashes, so my lashes will not be as boom boom as her, but you know, I still wanted to try anyway, you know, just to see. So I'm going to be trying to do all her looks, and I'm going to start off with doing her red lips. So I did my makeup off camera because I feel like, you know, pretty much all her makeup in these pictures is the same. It's just that her lips and maybe her eyeshadow and everything else changes. So for the most part, it looks like she has eyeliner, and I'm going to be doing her red look first. So I have, you know, red hair, so I don't have a red wig, but I have red hair. So I'm going to do a fiery red lip. I might add a bit of orange to it just to make it more red and not as pinky. It's looking a little pinky on camera. I don't know why that is. It's not pink in person. That's pretty much her look. Looks like it's a red lip. It's like kind of orangey red, but close enough, I guess. What can we do? Alright, so here we are with lipstick and everything. This is the first look. I mean, so far I can see it's just red lipstick and fiery red hair and fiery red nails. So my nails are not done. But that was her look pretty much. I think eyeliner, lashes, mascara, eyelashes, and red lipstick. So here's this one. Next up we have this pink lipstick looking pink 1920s look. She has short hair and lashes and eyeliner and pink lipstick and pink gloves and long earrings. So I don't have like white hair, so skip that part, and I'm just gonna go for the lips. So it looks kind of pinky, like a nudie kind of pink, and pink gloves. So we'll see what I can do with what I have. Alright, so this is the second look done. Okay, so now we're going to do the yellow lip. This is the most iconic one. The one with the yellow lipstick and all the beautiful words all over her body. Afro-Latina, love, bold, a beautiful afro, all that. So I'm going to do this look now. Alright, I'm struggling with this lipstick, y'all. I think I'm going to try to put... I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it looks patchy. So I'm going to put gold eyeshadow on top from the Kat Von D palette. Yeah, I like that much better. Yes! Queen! I'm slaying for this look. Competition shook. Ho 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 ho. Alright, now let's write the words, shall we? so hard doing it on yourself. So hard. We don't have help. I might need my sister for this. I did a pretty good job by myself, don't you think? Like, my shoulders and all that. So I'm gonna wait for my sister. Oh my god.
Let's go. Give me this mess.
It's not afro, but it's close enough. My afro's too small.
So it's afro, it's your scalp.
Okay, but I did that for 2 other pictures. So the whole point is different hairstyles, so.
Which ain't black.
She had different hairstyles too.
Give me this stupid camera.
Okay. Okay, now I'm about to do the look that I've been looking forward to the most, which is the blue lip. So I didn't put on any foundation base because it's a lot of layering and I want the blue to really show through. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna take the blue from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette as my base and work from there. That looks great by itself, but it's not quite what the picture looks like. So we're gonna take this a little bit further and put some shiny blues on top and just make it more 3-dimensional and more turquoise looking, I guess. And I think it looks much more like her look. Alright, so finally I'm gonna do the white lipstick and eyeliner and white lashes. Final look.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which look was your favorite in the comment section down below. Also, let me know who inspires you in your life. And make sure to like and share this video and subscribe because I make new videos every single week. And hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!